My favorite currently is the one that I'm wearing. It is the diamond script name necklace and has all 5 of my children. It's so special to me, something that I've wanted forever. And now that we're officially done with kids, this is the one that is my absolute favorite from Babygold. The best Mother's Day gift I've ever received is the handmade ones, and there's a specific one my son made, Bruno. He made a portrait of me, and it was so cute because, you know, he colored my hair how he thought, he pictures me, and then he wrote like a list of things that I do for him, and like that just really made me feel so special. And so I love handmade pieces, I love custom pieces, something that is sentimental to me. Wow. If I could think of one, I mean, there's so many rewarding things about being a mom. Like my dream, my entire life was to be a mom. I think the small things, the everyday things, the way that the intense love that you never thought was possible, you get to experience, watching them grow, watching them, you know, get the tools of life. Like I have a 13-year-old and then I have a 1-year-old, and they're just so different, and every age is just more special. And I'm just blessed to be able to experience this. For me personally, the most challenging part in motherhood is mom guilt. I suffer from so much mom guilt. I am never envious of anybody, but I'm envious of those that don't have the guilt I carry. So I don't want to miss a moment. You know, I sometimes run myself because I'm trying to, you know, balance motherhood, and there's really no balance in motherhood. You know, I want to be present in my job as a mom and a job as a wife, and then a job in my current job as a mom blogger. And so I think that is what I struggle with, is like finding the perfect balance and harmonization, and I haven't found it yet. But the mom guilt is what gets me. Yes, that's it. Definitely, it's a learning process. And even with 5 kids, I'm learning every day. I think I noticed that the more focused I am on being fully present on what I'm doing. So I'm fully present in working, I'm fully present in being a wife. And then of course, fully present in being a mom, like giving them all the attention, no distractions, and just really just being present has made me just do better at my job. Give themselves grace. You know, it's a hard job, it's the hardest job in the world. And, you know, we're all trying to be the perfect mom, the perfect boss babe, and the career woman. And I feel like just giving yourself grace. Like every day is gonna be different. One day you're gonna be focused on, you know, furthering your career, and one day you're gonna be focused on making memories with your kids. And as long as you're present and, you know, graceful to yourself and giving yourself time and putting the energy where it needs to be that day, you're doing an amazing job. That's a hard one. I think it depends on the day. So every day I'm a go-to dainty girl, but when I'm going out, I love like a good chunky earring, you know, a statement necklace, but on the daily, it's definitely dainty. Well, my favorite Babygold piece, like I said, is my diamond script name necklace, and I'm very excited to add a name necklace to her collection. For me, I really don't look at it as creating content. I'm literally living the exact life I would be every single day, doing what I'm doing. And I think like every day I'm just filming my life as I would, and I always keep that in mind to not change it as much as my career has evolved. Just truly like taking my followers, my viewers along with me, just being a mom and just, you know, doing everything that they could be doing too. And we can kind of all relate to one another. I did. I saw Alex Earl wearing these hoops, and it's very hard to find like an everyday hoop. One that you can wear with like a t-shirt and denim and like not be too heavy. So I was always like, oh, I need to try that brand after I saw her wearing them all the time. And I know she loves like dainty, lightweight pieces. And yes, I found Babygold. Even though our lives are not anything alike, Alex Earl is a great follow. You know, she's funny. Like I said, our lives are not parallel at all, but just watching her like grow and thrive and be successful is like really inspiring. I'm blessed to have so many memories with my kids, and I think that the biggest memories the kids will have and the ones that I have growing up are family trips and vacations, and we're so blessed to be able to take so many and create so many memories with our kids together as a family. Those are the things they're gonna look back on and be like, wow, I can't believe my parents took 5 kids to New York City, but we did it, and I feel like those are gonna be some of our favorite memories, as hard as they are. One that I rarely have is a solo day. So either I'm with my kids, I'm with my husband, or I'm working. So like a free day. The perfect day would be like a good workout class, a nice hotel, a massage, and like dinner with girlfriends. Early bedtime too, definitely early bedtime. You know, I've actually never thought about it. I think I'm good with one for now. I do like I think they're called like the ear cuffs, and I would so be down for one of those.